Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you guys very special food again. So I come again and I come again. This is fresh corn. This is fresh corn. You guys can see it on the tray. So I'm peeling it. Do you know what I want to use it to do? Moi moi, we call it onyonyo, igbakampa. For our language, we call it Igbo akampa. This is corn, we call it akampa in our language. So I want to use it and prepare moi moi. So you guys can see it have two colors, half white, half yellow. So this is the season of corn, fresh corn and groundnut. This is the seeding. Anytime the season of fresh corn dey, groundnut dey, I no dey allow it to pass me by. I go grab am, use am the way I like, cook it. If na to boil chop, if na to use it and do different food, I will use it until the season go. So I went to the market to bought this corn. All this one you see, just for 1,000. See remain plenty. I keep some inside the leather because it's plenty. 1,000. See some here. I see plenty of them inside leather. Because if I do all of them, too much. So I just select this one, keep for another. I want it to dry very well so that I'll use it for otompini. We call that one too otompini in my language. So I want to keep this one so that it go dry very well. So because I know some German people, they watch my video. That's why I'm explaining it in my language to understand. So after you bought your corn from the market, you remove the back. That is the shell. You remove the back. Then you wash it. After washing it, you peel it the way I'm peeling it, like this. You're peeling it. And so you peel all of them. After you peel it, if your hand is paining, you can use knife to remove the seed from the stick. So after you do it like this, wash it again. You put your onion, pepper, and you take it to a big engine. If your blender can blend it, it's okay. If your blender cannot blend it, you take it to grinding machine where then go grind it for you very fast. After you grind it, just as then they do normal moi moi, beans moi moi, you put your oil, you add your seasoning, then salt, you mix them together. That is palm oil, red oil. Then you add scent leaf or moringa leaf, mix them together and put it inside the moi moi, the one you grind. You mix them together. Then you can, if you have moi moi container, can use it. If you don't have it, use white leather. If you use white leather to tie it, put your water on the pot, allow it to boil, then you tie it and put. So it's raining. I can't go and grind it now. If not, I can show you guys. But it's raining. So if you follow the process that I'm telling you, you get it right. You get it very, very right. So after you blend it, you add your palm oil, your pepper. After you don't go grind pepper and onion together from machine, or big machine, grinding machine. The only thing you add when you bring it home, palm oil and seasoning. That is, can use Maggi or salt, anyone. You season, you do the seasoning. Then if you have moi moi container, you can use moi moi container. If you don't have moi moi container, use white leather to tie it. Then you put it in the fire, put water on the pot. Then you begin to tie and put. Make sure you taste it. Make the taste dey okay before you tie it. Your scent leaf and your moringa, don't forget to add it inside though. after you are adding your season, wash those one. You put it fresh. It's not that you go and boil it before you pour am. No, as you buy it for market or you plug it in your house, wash it very well with salt, then put it, then mix them together, add your palm oil, your seasoning, and begin tie it and put for pot. After you put for pot, cover it like 15 to 20 minutes. Bring it down and open it. Food is set. You eat and lick your hand and you enjoy it. Just as dem dey do moi moi, follow that process of moi moi, of beans moi moi. Follow the process and do it. So but the difference between the beans and this, that scent leaf and moringa leaf you add, and don grind it very smooth from market, from engine, from that grinding machine. Don't allow it to too smooth, because if it too smooth, you not enjoying it. If you are eating it, it will be gummy your teeth. So you grind it rough, but not too rough. You cannot see any seed inside. So that is all for fresh corn. Just want to show you guys. Do it for your family. They will love it. Follow the process of doing beans moi moi, and you get it right, and you eat it and you enjoy it. Anything that come out new, I'll show you guys. So I'm sorry that I didn't blend it, the mix and all those things. I didn't show you guys, but I don't give una the process. Follow the process, you get it right. Blend it, add your palm oil, your scent leaf, and moringa. After you wash the scent leaf and moringa, the scent leaf you cut it, you cut it, but the moringa you not cut it. You mix them together and pour it inside, and mix all of them together. Make sure the taste come out fine. Then tie it in the leather, or you use your moi moi container and cook it. Thanks, and that is all for fresh corn. Anytime new food will come, I will not allow it to pass me by. I'm eating groundnut. See my groundnut. I'm eating cooked groundnut again. So fresh food, I follow you go. We meet again in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.